Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and using ast.literal_eval in Python. Introduction. Python's ast.literal_eval is a powerful function provided by the ast module that allows you to safely evaluate a string containing a literal Python expression or container display. Unlike the built-in eval function, ast.literal_eval only evaluates literals, making it safer against code injection attacks. In this tutorial, we will explore the usage of ast.literal_eval with detailed explanations and practical examples. Importing the ast module. Before using ast.literal_eval, import the ast module into your Python script or interactive environment. Basic usage. The primary purpose of ast.literal_eval is to evaluate literal expressions. Literal expressions include numbers, strings, tuples, lists, dictionaries, and booleans. Note: attempting to evaluate non-literal expressions or code with ast.literal_eval will raise a value error. Handling security. One of the key advantages of ast.literal_eval is its security features. It ensures that only literal expressions are evaluated, minimizing the risk of code injection. Handling different literal types. ast.literal_eval can handle various literal types, such as strings, numbers, tuples, lists, dictionaries, and booleans. Use cases. Conclusion. ast.literal_eval is a valuable tool for safely evaluating literal expressions in Python. It enhances code security by preventing code injection vulnerabilities associated with the more general eval function. By understanding its usage and limitations, you can confidently use ast.literal_eval in scenarios where literal expressions need to be processed. Remember to use caution and avoid using ast.literal_eval for untrusted input, as it may still have limitations and potential security risks in specific scenarios. ChatGPT.